How you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is the HPI RS4 that I bought about 5 months ago with a low compression engine that was totally locked up. And since then, we totally changed the engine, changed a bunch of little things on here, and I restored this back to working on the original radio system here. So this is working on the original AM radio. So I've been preheating this for a few minutes. So we're gonna attempt to start this up right now. My wife's gonna record me because I changed the radio system. So I'm gonna hold wide open. I may need to reverse this. I don't know. Reverse this. Wide open throttle. Prime that. Let's see if we get a fire up here. I think we have to open the glow plug a little bit. We got too much compression. Let me tighten this back up. This is the first time actually trying to run this, so we got to go through trial and error here. First drive. Trying to get the trims correct. Something's not right. Oh man. Somehow the belt come off. So that was a total fail. The belt just come off. I don't even know how to put it back on. Can see it, but yeah, it looks like we got to take this back home and get it back on the bench again because the belt just come off. I knew something wasn't right. I was like, it's not working right. Something's not right. So somehow after all that work, the belt fell off. So I guess I will see you guys back on the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. This way you don't miss any content coming up.